I am here for 4 nights and super excited. I'll show you my setup when we go outside. It was dark by the time we set the truck camper up. Mooch docking off of my son. I am here for 4 nights. I got my coffee pot ready to brew and my Betty ready made, my twinkle lights. So there's my granddaughter Raina. Hi. Hi Raina. A big long cord because the only place we could kind of get even level is like down at the bottom. It rained all night last night.
Yeah.
So since it's raining and we can't do anything outside, what are we going to do?
Go to Chuck E. Cheese.
We're going to Chuck E. Cheese.
It's kind of easy for us to use the restroom because we don't have to stop somewhere.
I know, right? We had to stop to get in the back. Where are we going, Neelan?
Chuck E. Cheese.
We got Neelan stuck back there in the garage, right? That's what we call our back seats, the garage. And Ray, what are you looking at this grandma's?
I am looking at the Bible. My brother needs me. Come on, go, run again. In the first video I didn't talk about this, but it has a kitchen, a bathroom, a place where you sleep, and it has definitely a refrigerator. Oh my god, I can't talk today.
Okay, super easy. All you gotta do is push the button.
Yep.
And up it goes. So easy, a 6-year-old can do it.
Yeah, it's so easy, guys. You should, if you have this, definitely do it because it's super easy.
The only thing we have to make sure is that nothing's stuck.
If you're allowed to.
Then it's fine.
Allowed to. Don't do it if you're not allowed. You'll get in trouble.
So I'm getting up. I made my bed with my Betty. Didn't take me very long at all. And I'm gonna get up and have a cup of coffee, maybe make some oatmeal, and then if I don't get my normal wake up greeting this morning from the grandkids, I'll go check them out at the house. Outside my kitchen window, they say it's good luck to see a cardinal. And there's one in the bush right there, outside of my camper window. A fancy cup Fred got me. I love that cup. Used to only hold hot cocoa. Now it's time for some coffee. So we got these. They fit perfectly in the truck camper. And I'm just going to get out the kettle and warm up maybe like a little bit of milk in my oatmeal. So I'll heat up some milk in here. Be careful not to scorch it. I like milk in my oatmeal, so I'm going to pour a little milk in here just to heat up a little bit. Oatmeal in. Stir it up.
I'm having breakfast right now.
Yeah, from our house, yeah. So what's Grandma have to do?
So
What are we going to show them?
we are going to show you the presents I got from my mom.
And also how Grandma has to wash her dishes in the tiny sink, right?
Yes.
Since she already had breakfast.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, oh, there's the presents. Oh, and here's her little wet balloon.
Yeah. Here's a little balloon.
Whoa. So it is time for dishes. We had breakfast and now we're going to show you the small sink in a camper life. So it's not big, but it's pretty good. It's better than a bucket outside. So we do have running water, a nice little sink, a sponge, and some soap. Knock this little baby right out. See that little cup to soak my utensils in after I eat, so I just leave that in there and slide that, wash it out, have it ready for the next batch of dishes. Not too bad. I'm parking on ramps in a hilly driveway. So we had a great day today. We went to gymnastics with my granddaughter, went out to lunch, went shopping all day, went to dinner, visited another game, and then we played card games. So it is time to go to bed for night 3 here. Still Mother's Day morning, and my bed's made. Love this Betty. So, of course, not advertising it, but if I could, I would.
Happy Mother's Day!
We're at the Fox Winery in the Blue Ridge Mountains. So come hang with us.
Living the best life, right?
Amen. And the only thing is,
to new experiences, new adventures.
And these are rhododendrons. Those are, you probably know better than I, but they're, I love those. Those are beautiful. Oh, it's pretty in here.
Those for 11 for Heather.
I need a babysitter so we can go here for our anniversary with Cameron.
He's like, I don't drink wine.
You don't have to. They have beer.
That's what I tell him. He's like, oh, they got beer?
Yeah, I'll see what they have so next time.
So you can taste the Friesland red, you can kind of just share, and then the Friesland white. I'd do the red first because it's less sweet, and then do the white, okay?
I'm gonna do like Raina did. Now, guys,
Oh, yeah,
you don't
yeah.
know how to cut your super expensive wood smoked cheese. Kind of like you would if you're There we go. It's really falling apart. Oh, the wood smoked cheddar cheese.
Oh, I think he's making chicken today.
And then he would probably be like, but I could do it better.
Oh, yes, that would be Cameron. You're welcome. Very nice. And this is the professional wine puller. Yes. And this, yeah. And Keisha and I are the professional wine drinkers. So we all are. Exactly. We will go outside and check out the beautiful Shenandoah Mountains soon. We gotta drink it red wine.
I know.
Yeah.
What was this called?
Friesland Red.
Red. Yeah.
Very good.
You gotta come see them, people. This is the bomb.com. The problem is if it was like 15 degrees warmer, I might not want to leave this place.
So we'll have to ask them what this house is right here. And obviously that's probably for work.
Tours of their distillery.
They did. Remember I asked him? They do tours.
Okay.
They do tours. That's why I said you two need to come back out for a tour.
Part of the home ownership type of thing.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, so I can rent this place for like $300. It's ridiculous.
Spring is beautiful, but it's still like bipolar. Fall is at least, it's a little cool, but a little warmer.
Yeah.
Had a great time. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's a little family time. When you're traveling in the RV, there's always, the stop time to see the family. We are going to do a quick check before we get ready to travel. It's just about 2 hours and 45 minutes back home. You need to make sure for certain that everything is down below this line. Just make sure that everything's down below there. I'll pull the pillows down to about this even. Yeah, I can see how they are just a little bit above that line. Even though they're pretty squishy, I think we'll definitely give him a better chance here. You know, I was having a harder time pushing, but it came apart here, broke the seal, which we'll fix when we get home. But you can see up here in the middle how it's bent, so it doesn't push down in there very well, or bends down. I don't know, but we'll let you know what we do to fix it. Use the remote because we had it switched from my regular fan to a Max fan, so you can hear it in the background humming away. Oh, you take it while it's popped up still.
Huh?
You take the pictures as it's popped up still. Don't want to go down the road without putting the little sink cap on, leaking water. Not that I think there's anything in there, but I like these ramps. Much better than their little blocks. And as you can see, we're on quite the hill. As he's backing up, you can start to see the house because it's backing up into the driveway. Thank you, Cameron. If those could fit in the basket with a generator, I'm almost tempted to get something like those.